Hey, welcome back everybody. Today we're at TCL's booth at 2026 CES. This is the Note A1 NXTPAPER. This is the next new generation that they have the previous years. You can see here, this is actually running Android operating system. It feels very light and thin. You guys can see that here. Not able to take it out of here, but it's got this, looks to be like the home button here that takes you back to the home button. And then the actual stylus here seems to be very nice, as you guys can see that here. Everything seems to pretty much open up very quickly, as you guys can see here. And I like the nib that or the top here has been raised. And you also can see it's actually very fluid in writing. There's no lag on it, as you can see that here. Let's go back out and see. We can do some notes here and just type in some letters, as you guys can see that was very quickly. What I like about this is actually it's got a full Android operating system running in here, and the screen itself is pretty matte finish and there's no glare, as you guys can see that here. And again, everything seems to, pretty be responsive, as you can see here. And all you'll be able to see is you can actually download Kindle apps or Kindle books, because you'll be able to download the Kindle app. And here you can see that I'm able to open like the notepad and create notes. This is kind of like the music one, but it's got several others that you can have as templates, which is pretty nice. And again, it's writing very quickly. The other thing too is it's got plenty of like the feeling of writing on paper, pretty close. Not exactly, but it's got a nice feel because of the matte. And see, it's got that pressure sensitivity. So it looks like it's pressure. So that's pretty good. So if you guys gonna use it for drawing or markups, it's gonna be pretty nice on that, because you'll be able to put some pressure. You can see the colors here that you can use. It's got several different colors, but this one actually has more colors that than the Remarkable or other e-writers or note takers that is available, because this is actually running actually the screen is an LCD screen type, so which is nice. But they, depending on the app here, it's got only certain colors that you're able to use, but it's capable of displaying other colors in there. You can see that highlighting is very nice. Also, it looks like you can use Excel, kind of like an Excel sheet, and fill in numbers, or just like anything like this that it works with it. So that's pretty good. So use it for that. And not only for taking notes, but you can fill up, as you can see here. It's not going to do that. But it's working pretty nice this way, that you have other options, not just the option for just writing or taking notes. So that's good, as you guys can see here. And then I can also go into more settings here and just kind of look around, and it's got other. So now let's go ahead, go back home here, and it's got all the sheets, and you can create new template folders, which is pretty nice. You can create folders, and then once you create folders, again, you got the option to create sheets, notebooks, to keep organized, and you can label them what you want to label them. And again, you can choose any type of template. It's got set templates here. This has just a line, kind of like a line theme, that you can write on there, and you can see, again, it's actually working pretty nice. It's writing very good and smooth, which I'm liking. So this is going to be a nice device to keep an eye on. This is again the TCL Note A1 NXTPAPER. This is a newer version compared to the one from last year, the NXTPAPER edition. The other one that had the two different type screens that you can switch, like a black and white screen. This one's more of a color screen, but it's got a muted one because of the matte screen. Looks like, I guess, probably the translation to AI is not working too good, because probably the Wi-Fi here is being used by a lot. So
Depends on the internet. Internet is not very good. Too much people here.
Oh, yeah. So it's kind of slow.
Yeah.
That's interesting. So it's picking up everything we're talking about right now?
Yeah. It's recording. You have 8 microphones around the frame. Yeah.
Oh, 8 of them?
Yeah.
Total? Oh, that's... So
you
you
also have the automatic noise cancellation. So it will only record the human voice and remove the environmental noise.
It's good test here because there's so much noise outside.
I think it's okay.
Yeah, so does it able to pick up our voice?
Just the internet is not very fast. Just now when we test it, it's very good.
It's very good, yeah. So if I hit stop here, it would show what would it pick up?
When you do this, you can also do the handwriting.
So you can record while you're taking notes as well.
Yes.
How much memory does this have?
256.
256. So right here, I would go like to start the
transcription. Then you can have the AI summaries for the whole meeting minutes.
So let's see if it'll pick it up. Said couldn't transcribe.
I think because the internet.
That the internet is that way. Oh, okay.
So there's a one key talking. You press this button, then loop this one. It will automatically be talking, and you can find in the inspiration. Yeah. You can ask to anywhere you want.
Oh, really? So you can bring it and put it anywhere. And this is basically kind of like your home screen, or going back.
Yeah, go back to the main. This is a home page.
Home page.
So this model is for office working, pure working experience. But you can also find this unit can download all the apps.
Oh. Yeah. So you can download like Android apps or?
Yeah, Android apps. Anything like the player, the music player, the movie player, the games, anything.
So how many colors is it? Because it looks pretty good, the colors.
This is LCD, so it doesn't...
so it's not like those paper white,
it's not.
Not like the, what's that, Remarkable, you know?
Remarkable is ink, electronic ink.
Yes, they only have like 5 different colors.
This one is a LCD, so there is no color limitation.
No color, yeah, because it looks really nice here, nice and clear. And I like the feeling also when you're writing on it.
Yeah, it's a little bit shake to simulate like you are writing on a paper.
And I see it supports Outlook, I guess. You can do your Outlook.
Outlook, the OneDrive, OneNote, you can so you can
install OneDrive.
You can copy. And this one normally you can share.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can share to Outlook or OneDrive, OneNote.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, and it looks pretty. I mean, it feels light and thin too. How many hours or days does this last on a charge?
The battery is 8,000, so they can last around 18 hours, constantly used without stop.
Oh, okay. So this lasts pretty long then. And I'm assuming here you can search like your notes.
Yeah.
Like if you ever, let me see. I might just put my test too, just to pick it up. Oh yeah. So I wrote the handwriting. Would it open it up or? Oh, I think it went to the recycle bin. Let me see. So, let me see. I'll do search history. Let's see. So would that go to? Would that find my actual? Yeah. Or anywhere that says test? What's the price? Are these available yet?
Yeah, currently we are selling it on Kickstarter. Today's price is $439 for the units. For the units with the keyboard and the pen together is $499. Yeah. So we will start to deliver at the end of February. The first delivery will start end of February, and you can start to order these units on Amazon at the beginning of March.
Of March. But you'll start shipping out at the end of February.
Yeah.
And also, I've noticed other note takers. Usually they have a sort of a lag. This one does not have no lag. It's pretty quick. What processors is it using?
The lag?
Yeah, it's pretty fast.
This is not because this is a working sample, so it's not fast enough.
No, this is pretty fast.
The lag is it's 5 milliseconds.
5 milliseconds.
Normally, the normal tablet or the Remarkable, I think also Remarkable is around 6.
Yeah.
The rest normal tablet is 15 to 20.
Yeah, because you can notice on the like other devices when you're writing, it has a little bit of lag. This one doesn't. This is pretty quick. When you're doing a little like a note or anything, just to create. See how this is pretty fast. Yeah, it's normally sometimes like the Remarkable, you write something like that and it's got a little trail. This one doesn't, like right away.
Because Remarkable is still the electronic ink stream. That the refresh frequency is very slow. This one is 120. So
that's why it's very smooth.
No lag, not too much lag.
Yeah, and everything's very responsive too. Like you go up and down. So it's pretty. That's pretty nice. Do you know what the weight of this is? I mean, what the weight?
Weight?
Yeah.
I think it's around.
550 grams.
515 grams.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's not too heavy. That's pretty good for the size of it. It's decent. It doesn't feel heavy at all. Yeah. This is very interesting. Yeah, a lot of. Oh, I had another question. Does this have like? I seen some of that you can create like a calendar built in, and if you write in the calendar here, it syncs to your Outlook calendar. Does this have that feature?
No.
So
far, no.
So far, no.
No.
Yeah, I've only seen one device that does that. And I was just curious if it has like where you can, like let's say you take a note and it's got the calendar, and if whatever note you write in there, it transfers into the calendar and it syncs up to your Outlook calendar.
Oh no.
This one doesn't have.
Maybe in the next software. If many consumers asking for such a function, we will upgrade the software. It's not very hard.
Yeah, that's a good feature to have because when you're doing like notes, you write them up and then you don't have to retype them like if you're on the road or something, which would be nice to have. And then let's see. This cloud storage or cloud drive. I see. That's the OneDrive. Oh, okay. So you just log those to your account. File transfer. So you can.
Transfer to the mobile phone or the computer.
Oh, the computer as well. That was my next question. I was going to ask you to the computer too. So
just to type this in your computer
browser. Yeah. And that'll give you access to this, and you're able to transfer. It looks like. Send and receive files from both ways. And is there a special folder that they go into when you receive files from the computer in here?
I think it's on here.
Just under
file management. You can change your own storage to folder.
So assuming they'll come into that downloads folder.
Normally it's go to the download just like mobile phones.
Oh, okay. So that'd be very easy to locate your files that you've. And then open them up. Yeah. So no internal. So you can't put an micro SD card or anything to upgrade these.
No.
For more memory.
No,
just what's built in.
The storage is big enough. 256. I think it's big enough.
That's pretty good. Yeah. Normally they're 64 gigabytes for the normal note takers that I've seen in the past. And it's anti-fingerprint resistant or fingerprint smudge, no reflection. Does it have different adapted? No, the brightness. It looks like here.
This is just based on tablet. So it has all the functions that tablet can do.
Oh, okay. Eye comfort. So does that make that yellowish color? That's nice. because sometimes when it's too, you know, a little bit dark.
This one is you see here. It's 3A crystal shield glass, especially for protecting your eyes.
Yeah.
So it's anti-gleam, anti-reflection, and the flash. So it can help you to protect the eyes. Even you watch this product for a long time, you won't feel tired.
Oh yeah. Yeah, because I know a couple of years ago you had the NXTPAPER, which
NXTPAPER.
Yeah, you can switch between the screen. Which was oh, you still have it here.
Yes,
yeah. But this.
But the NXTPAPER has been upgraded to the fourth generation. Later, the Q3 will have some new product. It will be the fifth generation.
Oh, right.
So it's improving all the time.
Okay. Yeah, because that's a nice unit there. This is very interesting. This one right here, so far is much better than all the other ones that I could see. Yeah. So you say the end of February, and you have a price. You say at $499.
Yeah, currently, let's check. $439 for the units. With the keyboard is $499. Let me check. Here. Can see Kickstarter.
Oh yeah.
We now have 1,500 units. This is for the only devices and the pen. 437 with the flip 459. Yeah. Oh, sorry. With the keyboard is a 559.
Okay.
But once the Kickstarter finished, once we finish the crowdfunding, when you start to sell in Amazon, I think with the flip will be 549.
519 with it. Oh.
As you know, the memory cost is rising very fast.
Yeah, that's going. I saw that it's almost like stocks. The memory is it's going very up. And it looks like I saw that. So these are replaceable nibs.
Yeah, replaceable.
Yeah. Okay. It's got that one button there, and then you can use that top as an eraser. So, okay. So it's got good features. So this one you pushed it in and you circled.
And automatically copy
with that one. Okay. Can you change this to a different function?
No.
If you wanted it, in the settings or anything.
I think apparently this is one of the key sell points. Yeah. Maybe later, if too much consumers says we need to change the function.
To change it,
yeah, maybe we can.
You can change that. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you very much for the information. I'm very interested.
I'll just confirm that the button cannot be changed.
Oh, it cannot. They cannot be. No. Maybe down the road, a firmware upgrade.
Yeah, maybe more consumers ask for customize the function. Maybe.
Yeah, because it'll be nice. Like if let's say you push it down and circle it and have that convert to text, or let's say you had a lot of handwriting and then circle the whole complete and convert it to text. You know, maybe change in the settings. I do, because I do have one, not this kind, but a different manufacturer. And that's one function I use a lot. Sometimes is when I have a lot of, I'm writing, and sometimes I need and it actually copies pretty good with my bad writing. So what I do is I circle the whole, little note I have, and I'll convert it to text version, and then I can paste it and upload. But this is actually, from what I can see, is I think it's one of the best ones out there right now.
Yeah. And the price is very competitive.
Yes.
Now we compete with Remarkable Pro. It sells
749.
749.
Yeah. This is much better, I think, because of the color and the display itself. Much more cleaner, much readable too. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you very much.